And in front of me is OnePlus Nord CE to Lite, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So you can do it in two ways. Let's start with the quicker one. Just open your phone dialer, click on keypad and enter *pound 06 pound. And as you can see here, you've got your IMEI number. To open both IMEI along with serial number, you need to reach settings, which are located right here, then scroll all the way down and select about device. And here you will notice status, so just click here and you've got IMEI numbers over there, and right here you've got serial number of yours. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.